In this video, I'm going to cover the 5 most common mistakes to avoid when buying property in the Mexican Caribbean. They are common, but you should not underestimate them. Number 1. Not doing your research. Before you even start looking at properties, it's important to do your research and understand the local market. Cancun is not the same as Playa del Carmen, Tulum, or Yucatan. This includes understanding the different types of properties available, the prices of property, and the financing options available. It's also important to understand the legal requirements. For example, is it better to buy with a bank trust or through a Mexican corporation? Do you get residency for buying a property? What are the tax implications of owning a property in Mexico? In this channel, you are going to find everything you need to know to make an informed decision. Number 2. Not hiring a qualified real estate agent. There is an overwhelming amount of real estate offered throughout the Mexican Caribbean. A qualified real estate agent should understand your investment goals and help you navigate the complex process of buying property in Mexico. If you require assistance throughout the process of buying a property in the Mexican Caribbean, negotiating the right price, and handling the legal paperwork, consider scheduling a free consultation in the description below. Number 3. Not getting professional advice. It's important to get professional advice from a real estate lawyer, a notary public, and a tax advisor before you buy property in Mexico. They can help you understand taxes, the risks involved, and protect yourself from scams and legal problems. There are many laws and regulations that foreigners need to be aware of. There are many scams targeting foreigners who are looking to buy property in Mexico. It's important to have someone who can represent your interests and protect you from legal problems. If you're thinking about buying property in the Mexican Caribbean, I encourage you to take the time to do your research and get professional advice. Number 4. Neglecting property management. Neglecting property management can lead to a number of problems, including tenant complaints, maintenance issues, and legal disputes. It can also negatively impact your cash flow and potentially damage your property's value. To avoid this, consider working with a professional property management company. They can handle day-to-day tasks like rent collection, maintenance, and repairs, as well as help you stay compliant with local regulations. Number 5. Overestimating your budget. Many investors assume they'll be able to make a large profit from their investment, only to discover that the costs are much higher than anticipated. To avoid this mistake, be realistic about your budget from the start. Consider all of the expenses involved in buying and owning a property, including the purchase price, closing costs, property taxes, insurance, repairs and maintenance, and property management fees. Make sure you understand the local market and what similar properties are selling for, so you can estimate your potential profits realistically. By avoiding the common mistakes and getting the help you need, you can ensure that your purchase will be a success.